Would you like to know how a cyclotron works? Watch this. You're about to witness a birth. Take a hydrogen molecule, now subject it to a strong electric arc, and there you have it. May I introduce you to Mr. Iron? This chap is a negatively charged hydrogen ion. Apply an electric field to him between the two D plates and watch him accelerate. See, above the Ds, he accelerates in a straight line. But the magnetic field above the electromagnets supplies a centripetal force. This curves his trajectory and sends Mr. Iron back into acceleration. IBA cyclotrons have 4 acceleration zones and 4 zones of magnetic fields. This creates very compact, high-energy cyclotrons with low losses. The cyclone cube accelerates up to 18 mega-electron volts. The stripper removes the electrons. Mr. Iron becomes a proton, and his trajectory changes straight into the NERTA target where oxygen-18 is waiting. He crashes right into it. A neutron is released as the energy level converts oxygen-18 into fluorine-18 through the PN reaction. IBA, a cyclone of technology.